what we're going to do today is set up a Google Slide portfolio. Some folks are going to be utilizing this, so what we're going to do is open up a browser and go to slides.google.com. And once we're here, we're going to go ahead and click on, well, of course, we want to make sure that you are logged in underneath your Mainer credentials. Once that's established, go ahead and click on blank here. And here is a Google Slide. All we need to do is choose a theme. There are many here to choose from. You can create your own theme, but that's going to be another video. Here we're just going to go ahead and pick one of these themes to go ahead and establish the beginning of a portfolio. I want to go ahead and name this portfolio. Let's just go ahead and name it our last name, Possessive. And we'll just call it Portfolio for now. You can name your portfolio anything that you like. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this for now. And let's just go ahead and pick this theme right here. I'm going to go ahead and name my portfolio. I'm going to give it an actual title card. Nice little cover here. Let's just call it, I don't know, Awesome Art Lives Here. That works. And what's most important, regardless of what you name your portfolio, I need you to put your name, not mine, I'm just using this as an example, put your name, dash, and the period, you're in my classroom. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and put your name, dash, and I'm just using 8th period as an example. Okay? And then going forward, here I hit that little plus and it makes a brand new card inside of my portfolio. And here I can go ahead and actively go ahead and name. We're going to name the card whatever project you happen to be working on at that given time, because this is where you're going to keep your notes and your examples of your artwork and your process within your portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and name this card, one of our projects, we'll call it Animated Sign Language. And obviously, this isn't actually the real project. I'm just using this as an example. And I can go over here to my desktop and just drag in my artwork. In this case, I'm just going to use a little portrait, a little picture of yours truly. I'm going to go ahead and line this up. The little red lines usually indicate that you are aligning your artwork with another element of that card. That may be the title, that may be the text. I'm just resizing my text box. And then right here next to the artwork, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and plug in some sort of a reflection. Tell me something that you realized, something that you learned, something that you understood or came to understand while you were making your artwork. Tell me what you like best about it. Tell me something that you wish you could change if you were to recreate the image. Most importantly, I really want you to just tell me what maybe you had fun with, and hopefully you actually had some fun creating whatever artwork it is that you are talking about during this reflection in your portfolio. So once you have all of this pretty set and done, I'm going to put some finishing touches here. Remember that your final reflection really just needs to cover something that you learned. That is going to be most important. What tool did you learn how to use? What image did you learn how to manipulate? What information did you learn about when you were creating this final image? When it's all done and said, all you have to do is just close out your slideshow, this portfolio, because everything automatically saves inside of Google Slides. So there's nothing else that you have to do here. Once you're done, you're done. Remember that this is a living document. That means that you are adding new information regularly. And if you ever have any questions or you run into any sort of snags, you're always welcome to come and talk to me in the front of the class. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy drawing.